Would you believe that these plants were actually planted at the exact same time? Let's talk about what's going on here. Welcome to Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Today I wanted to share with you a little experiment that we have going on and just show you some of the differences and tell you a little bit about what is happening. So about 3 weeks ago, this lettuce seed was planted and the broccoli seed as well. And this was just kind of some leftovers from what we were going to be saving for seed to go ahead and store. So the extra seed was about to be dumped, and it's not really the time of year that we would go ahead and plant some new seeds, but when you're gardening and it's kind of the off season, why not experiment and try some new things? So the lettuce seed was planted as well as the broccoli at the same time, and this was started in the house about 3 weeks ago. About 1 week ago, or 2 weeks after it came up, this lettuce was moved into the greenhouse area. As you can see, there is a massive difference between the two sets of plants. This kind of goes to show a couple of different things. Number one, temperature does make a difference. It is very cool in the room inside the house where the plants are, but it is slightly warmer. I'm guesstimating, we don't have a thermometer in there, but I'm guessing it is a little bit warmer than it is here in the greenhouse. Right now in the greenhouse, we are sitting at about 42 degrees. So it's pretty chilly out here right now. And because of that, temperature does make a difference. If it's not warm enough, you're going to see growth be stunted. The other thing that's very different is that the plants inside the house are underneath the grow light, whereas the plants that are now out here in the greenhouse are sitting just in the natural light. And so with the days being shortened as we are in December, they're not getting as much light. The sun's not as high in the sky and the days are much shorter. We're heading here towards the shortest day of the year. So light also makes a difference. Now, if this were summer, we probably wouldn't be playing around with this quite as much, but I thought I would share with you this experiment and kind of what we have going on here, and I will keep you updated on how things progress. So going forward, the plants that are currently in the house are going to be transplanted up, so they will continue to grow in the house, get some more size to them, as we know that once they're out in the greenhouse area, they're not going to put as much size and growth forth since we are in a cooler time of the year. Now, the plants that are in the greenhouse, we'll just continue to watch them and see what happens. And what you can learn from experimenting is really what works best for your season. Are there things that you could be planting earlier or things that still need to be planted later? And you also can learn a little bit about what happens if you plant your items too early or put them outside too early. This is going to help you as you move forward and you start putting things out. When you notice that there's a problem, you're going to be able to troubleshoot and figure out exactly what's going on and figure out maybe how you can prevent that the next time or fix that the next time. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And as always, I can't wait to see you back here next time. Bye everyone.